Good morning. Here we are on our project in Lake Zurich, where we're taking out an existing kitchen, opening up to the dining room over here, removing the kitchen. As I said, there's a common wall between the kitchen and what was the living room. As you can see, we've got a plastic barrier there to control the dust from migrating down into the existing bedrooms and what is the remaining part of the living room. Here's the family room that we're opening up the kitchen into, so we're going to have an open floor concept plan here. This is the first week. As you can see, most of the demo is complete. We just got to clean out this pile of debris here on the floor, and we're planning to start framing early next week, so things are progressing along nicely. This is the load bearing wall behind my back. We've got that in place until we start framing. All the existing structure of the ceiling joists as we call them, need to come out because they don't meet today's code, so we're going to be reinforcing them. We're putting in some beams, LVLs, which is laminated veneer lumber, to carry where the beam is at now, where the wall is at now, and that's all going to be going in hopefully next week. So check back with us again in another week or so to check in on our progress. Thanks for watching our video, and we appreciate it a lot, and have a good day.